We're going to give the Troy Bilt TB230 a start here, and going to cut this grass here at Emerald Isle. It's a Centipede grass, and today is August 8th, and we've been watching the rains come by. There's been a lot of storms here this weekend. Kind of got a break in the rain. Looks like it may be coming again. Wind is picking up a bit, so I want to see if I can do a very fast cutting of this. It's going to be several weeks before I can get back here to cut this grass. Picked up all the sticks here. Centipede is looking really good. So let's give that Troy Bilt. Flamingos are looking good. Kind of fading a bit here. My grass at home is burned up from the summer, so it's nice to see some nice green grass. The Centipede, this is the time of year it stays green. Alright, got the handle tied back on this Troy Bilt, and we're going to give it its first start here. I guess it's been about 3 weeks. Let's see how she does. Here we go. Well, I think we beat the rain, or it's moved off somewhere else. The thing about the coast here, you can have rain right across the sound and no rain here, sun will be out, and then these quick storms come through. So I was able to finish this with a few drops of rain. Centipede is looking really good. This is filled in really nice this year. Still putting some plugs in as needed. You can see one right there that I planted that has taken root, and that's just by cutting these runners. Cut these runners, like this is a good one here. Cut this and put that in a bare spot, it'll fill right in. And the crepe myrtle is starting to bloom here in August. Palm tree still hasn't come back from really the frost and winter we had this year. It really burned some of these limbs up. all in all, looking good, and we beat the rain. Troy Bilt did a great job cutting, and our flowers and bottle trees looking good as well.